Hey everybody, I'm here to talk to you about this very unique item that was sent to us. I'm going to just move this over here a little more. It is a light socket plug. So you can use this like in some older houses or even in your newer houses if you don't have a plug readily available or you've used all your plugs up. You can use this light socket to convert a light socket into a plug. So kind of a cool thing. So I will show you here how it works. And we don't have that many lamps, so yeah, it was a little hard for me to get this together because we don't have a lot of lamps in our house. But when I saw this item, I thought it would be really cool for homes where there aren't a lot of plugs, or if you're in a situation where you don't have a plug close by that you need. So there you see it's in there. And I will put this in. I'll show you first off that the lights go on. And so it could be just like this. Sorry about that. And underneath the shade, the light shade, let's see here. So you wouldn't necessarily even see it a lot. Let's see here. Okay, so you wouldn't see a lot of the plug hanging out, but look at what this does is I could use this to plug in. Now, obviously you probably wouldn't want to plug in another light, but you could use it to plug in something if you didn't have enough plugs for everything you needed to do, and then you've got that. It's kind of a neat little feature, kind of a neat little accessory to have there. And all it is a light bulb socket that you put in. And it doesn't hang down super long. It can be also turned into a ground. It's got the little grounding piece there, so you could turn it into a ground and make it so you could, in older houses, sometimes there aren't a lot of three-prong plug options. So this is a three-prong plug. Try to say that 3 times fast. A three-prong plug option. So go ahead and put it into your car. I'm just curious if it probably wouldn't have power without the light on. So you need to have the light on to get power to it. But we'll check. Yeah, so it needs to have the light on to get the power. But yeah, so kind of a very cool thing. Go ahead, put it into your cart. You won't be disappointed. It'll expand a light bulb in your house to giving you a 3-prong plug.